basically everything that you need to run the Hangtime competition. Material, so currently I'm using 5 different types of material: plywood, cardboard, balsa wood, paper, and just the type of wood I use, pine, because it's cheap. Obviously you need enough for your class. They'll only be building small stuff. The size requirement is less than 500mm by 500mm by 500mm, so that's less than 2 foot in the old. And a lot of that will, kids will be using paper and stuff, so you won't need that much material. Other stuff that you'll need: pairs of scissors, hot glue gun, and box cutters, and then just generally the other stuff that you're going to have anyway, iron string, the other stuff that you're going to have anyway, like nail punch, hammer. I put newspaper down on the tables to try and keep the glue off the benches. Nails. I had kids trying to nail stuff together before, playing, whatever tools they use. You'll also, I like to give away prizes, so whatever you do for prizes, maybe canteen vouchers or whatever it is, but I like to give 2 away. There's always a group that tries really hard and makes really fantastic entry, but it just doesn't work on the day, so I like to give them a prize as well as the winners. You need a place to run the competition, so we're lucky here in the fact that we've got 2 stories. So we go up to the top of the 2nd story, and that's where we drop it off, and there's handrails, everything's nice and safe. Oh, you need to make the jigs as well for the material testing. Here's a jig, for instance. It's just a couple of bits of wood with a steel pole with a point at the end, but you don't even need the point. You just go to the hardware store and get a decent size steel rod, and that's what you need.